How has the workshop changed your perspective on digital education, especially in relation to student engagement and also inclusive teaching?
I think that as I mentioned earlier that about the when we coming to this workshop we learn about the disability, right?
Yeah.
So that's only I think that for our for for our own perspective, I think that we should rethink about how to plan and really design our curriculum to fit for I mean for disability student and also for inclusive student, right? So we at the moment, so as our current design, so it's not so suitable for them because especially the activity or the assessment is not that covered. So I think that this workshop is very important for us to think about our design, our methodology, how to
Pedagogy and all. Yeah. Student engagement.
yes, the engagement. Yes.
Talk about inclusive teaching. As the afternoon, we have
Disabled
disabled
Yeah.
student.
Do you have many?
I think
every year
have graduated about more than 20.
Oh, every year. Oh,
No,
just one.
just for the last 4 years.
Oh, okay.
When we started,
Oh, yeah. Okay.
and from this workshop, I understand more about how to change the way how to teach. Because in the past, you just change the textbook into narrator, or some just read for them. So very difficult for lecturer and student.
Yeah.
So now make me more understand about this.
Yeah. At least we are exposed to it now. Or better exposed.
Yeah, it's also depending on the type of the disability, right? Some in terms of vision, in terms of audio,
Yeah.
and in visual and something.
True.
So
Different.
it should be when we design the curriculum and also the course material, we need to think about it.
This, yeah. It's good to know if you can know beforehand that you have this kind of special students. Yeah, so that you can design or plan something for them instead of just if you find out about them during or in the middle of the semester, so it's going to be difficult.
I think that after we learn from this workshop, as a lecturer or as an administrator, you have to rethinking about how to design the course. Right? For example, design for disability student, and each type of disability student, we have to think about it.
How can we make active study, right? Active learnings with online course? Yes, I know some way, right? Like we have a quiz for the game, like we have some workspace, something like that. This one can change or my how can we engage students to be active? The second one is inclusive teaching. Is can teach me how to we develop the teaching strategies.
Teaching strategies.
Yeah, teaching strategy will be involved in teaching method, teaching material, and anything that can be used for digital learning. This one.
After the workshop, so make me realize that digital technology, not just only technology which deliver the content, but it also used uh, for the online learning that can make student engagement by put some activity like quiz, assignment, and video content, and can track activity of the student who involved in the learning.
Varieties, learning activities.
Yeah, learning
Varieties,
activities.
the varieties. Yeah,
variety.
many different types. Okay.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
also we know how to just how to let all the students who we can say inclusive. So not just only the student who have all the sense, student who miss some sense like blind or disability also can learn from that learning technology as well. So make it equity to all the students to study.